The second annual Elkhorn Earth Skills Gathering is set to take place August 11th through the 18th in Boulder, Utah. This family-friendly event is dedicated to nature skills education. Participants will explore a range of topics including primitive skills, sustainability, homesteading, nature connection, and more. The gathering's organizer, Kelly Magleby, who has extensive experience in wilderness therapy and primitive pottery, said she loves watching people thrive in an outdoor environment while connecting to nature and also connecting with others. It's something our modern society is lacking and something it's craving. For more information on the upcoming Elkhorn Earth Skills Gathering and how you can register, see the full article. This is Jessi Bang reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.